My name is Elba Rojas Sucar, and I'm the Chief Development Officer for Arizona Oncology Foundation. Arizona Oncology Foundation is an organization, we're a nonprofit. We offer free programs and services for cancer patients. So basically transportation support to get you to and from chemo and radiation. We offer integrative therapies, support groups. We offer free wigs and head coverings, as well as free bras and prostheses. Well, we're true believers at Arizona Oncology Foundation that you're only as good as your first impression. And our website is our first impression. And we currently have a really good website, but it wasn't like that 2 years ago. So we hired CS Design to not only come over and manage our website, but they completely revamped it. So now our website is our portal for everything. You log on, you see what we have to offer, you fill out an application, and we take it from there. It has streamlined how we help patients tremendously. And with CS, we don't have to worry about anything. They instantly take your calls, their emails. If there's a problem, they fix it within minutes. I mean, the response time is nothing I have ever experienced before. Truly, they make it so much easier for us to help our patients because we don't have to deal with the technology that's not our forte. I think Arizona Oncology Foundation is CS Design's #1 fan because they changed our lives. They cut our time from 2 to 3 days of reaching out to someone and getting them set up with services to minutes. For a cancer patient, that's life-changing. I recommend CS Design to anyone who needs anything web-related or marketing-related. That team is phenomenal. What they have done for us and allowed us to help our patients in real time has been life-changing for us and for our patients. So if you're looking for a company, I highly recommend CS Design. I think they are platinum.